Welcome back to Talkora English. Today, Ethan's family heads into the forest for a special adventure. Chapter 8, The Camping Trip. Let's begin.
I can't wait to go camping! Did we pack the flashlight? Yes, John, I checked the list twice. Look at all these trees. Are we close yet?
Almost there, sweetheart. Just a few more minutes.
Wow, this place is beautiful. I want to explore everything right now.
Emma, can you hold this pole steady for me?
Got it, Dad. Almost done. Look, I found a big stick for the fire. Great job. Let's find a few more.
Careful, Ethan. Let's get this fire going.
Can we roast marshmallows now?
Mine is turning golden brown.
Perfect. Careful, don't let it catch fire like last time.
And then the little fox found his way home through the forest.
Tell another one, Dad, please. Look, a shooting star. Did you see it? I saw it too. Let's make a wish. Wow.
Good night, everyone. Sleep tight.
Good night, Mom. This was the best day ever. Good morning. I hear birds singing outside.
Lucky wants to go explore already. Isn't this the best breakfast spot?
The lake looks so calm this morning.
Hold it steady, John. Now wait patiently.
This is harder than I thought. Something's pulling. I think I caught something.
Reel it in slowly, buddy. You've got this.
I caught a fish. Look, everyone.
That's amazing, John. Your first catch.
Swim safely, little fish. Go back to your family. That was very kind of you, John. Look, a butterfly. It's so colorful. I found a bird's nest up there.
Everyone did such a great job packing up.
Can we come back next summer?
This was such a beautiful place.
We'll definitely come back again.
That was the best camping trip ever.
I can't wait for our next adventure together.
Thank you for watching Chapter 8. We hope you enjoyed this fun outdoor adventure with Ethan's family. Subscribe to Talkora English, and we'll see you in the next chapter.